Good morning, PowerBIans. This is Vinod from PowerBI Desktop and PowerBI Snippet YouTube channel. In today's Spark chart, today we are going to see there is a new window that is available for us from July 2026 version here. Again, it was brand new to me, and when I started working on this, so when I pick up the data here, you can see that there is a new get data window pops up here. Again, when I started working for the first time, it asked me whether you want to activate this button or not, because now I cannot show the activate button because as I've activated it already. If I reinstall it again, I will add the window for you again. When I come down to this portion, and this particular screen is what I saw in PowerBI services a lot, not in a PowerBI desktop earlier when I automatically want to create a dashboard. That's where I saw this video or this particular pop-ups before, and now I get that in my normal PowerBI desktop here. And you can see that you can create an authentication if you want to keep sensitive data intact, and you can also maintain the privacy level if you wanted to. Let's jump start into a new data set, and as usual when I bring in a data into PowerBI desktop, it will ask you a question. So now I can choose where I want to load the data. Do I want to move the data to the Power Query Editor, or I want to just bring the data directly to the PowerBI desktop? I can do that with ease. So I'm going to just load the data set into PowerBI desktop. I already have this data in here, so I'm re-adding it again here. But if I want to add it for the very first time, and then I can just come out of the data sets here. Let's open PowerBI desktop again, and this time around I'm not going to load this data to PowerBI desktop. I'm going to take it to Power Query Editor. So open a blank reporting, and you get your home screen of PowerBI. Click the import data from Excel, and you get the get data pop-up automatically. Then I'm going to just browse the data sets here. And then once I see the data set, I'm going to load the data to transform data. Transform data will take the data automatically to my Power Query Editor here. Then again, as usually, close and apply so that that data comes back to PowerBI desktop. So you have an opportunity to load the data directly. And again, this is something which we would have done it a bit differently before. Now we have a button which allows us to handle the data a bit better. This is Vinod signing out from PowerBI Snippet. Happy analyzing.